Officer and I are here in Santa Cruz with our best friends, Ryan and Auntie Rolena, and it is incredible weather, but I had to show you that Santa Cruz is protecting my wife. Not just on the trash can, but our underwater treasure. This is literally Alcatraz for seagulls in Santa Cruz. Poor guys. I don't think it'd be very funny. This thing jumps at me, I'm gonna drop my phone. That is the biggest pigeon I've ever seen. Okay, I know it's not a pigeon. Oh, look, you got the sideways. That's a kill shot. His head did a kill shot. He's angry. No social distancing happening here. That'd kind of scare me. Look at my brown pants.